welcome to Rotherham NHS Foundation Trust. My name's Lucy and I'm a midwife here in Rotherham. We hope that you and your family choose to have your care here with us at Rotherham, and whether you're planning on a home birth or a birth in hospital, we hope to see you all very soon. After you've had your booking appointment with your community midwife, you will be asked to attend Green Oaks for your scans, and you may be also asked to come here to see a consultant or a doctor if you have any problems in your pregnancy. And this is Green Oaks. So when you arrive at Green Oaks, if you just pop to the reception, you will need your green notes with you, and then if you take a seat and you'll be called through when they're ready. This is one of our scan rooms at Rotherham. You'll be invited for 2 routine scans, and we do ask that unfortunately we can't allow children into the scan rooms, but you are welcome to bring someone with you for your scan. You may also be invited for more scans for baby's growth or well-being if we had any concerns. Delivery suite or labour ward is located on B level. When you arrive, just please buzz. It works on a buzzer system. If you buzz and then please be patient, it may take a couple of minutes for someone to answer. If you then, when you get through, just come to the desk and let the receptionist know your name. If you're attending for triage, she'll ask you to take a seat in the waiting area, and the midwife from triage will be out to see you. If you're going to be seen on labour ward, then a midwife will come through this way to collect you. Again, it's a secure ward, so all the doors will be locked. So, when you think you're in labour, this is triage where you may attend. Here, we can assess your baby, we can decide whether you're in established labour. If you are in established labour, we will invite you onto labour ward, or if you're not quite in labour, we may advise that the best thing for you and your baby would be to go home and await events. If you're having your baby in hospital, then when you're in labour, we will see you on labour ward or delivery suite. So now let's show you some labour rooms, and we'll also show you the pool room. This is room 3, one of our rooms on labour suite, and this is quite a standard labour room. As you can see, each of us rooms has an electric bed. This can be really good for optimum positioning for labour and birth, so it can be put into seating position and raised for you to lean onto it. Many of the rooms also have birthing balls which you can use, and if your room doesn't have one, feel free to ask and we will try and get you one. Each of our rooms is operated with a buzzer system, so if your midwife isn't in your room and you need any help or assistance, if you buzz, someone will come to assist you. Also, while you're staying with us, each of the rooms has an ensuite bathroom, so we have a shower and a toilet for you to use for your comfort. At Rotherham, we have one pool room. We know that being immersed in water during labour and birth can be really relaxing and help your labour to progress. So this is our pool. As you can see, it's really large, so you can be nice and mobile in it. Also in this room, we've got a new active birth bed. This bed moves into lots of positions to again help with your positioning for labour and birth. The room itself is very relaxing. At night we can dim the lighting. We've got mood lights and lights on the ceiling that change colour. Music can be incorporated into your labour and birth to make it a more relaxing and more enjoyable experience for you and your birth partners. If for any reason you have to have either an instrumental or a caesarean section, then we do have a theatre located on labour ward, so you won't have to be moved off the ward. Also, if for any reason your baby needs to go to special care baby unit, that's located just off this ward as well, and visiting is open at all hours. During your pregnancy or when you've just had your baby, you might be asked to attend either Antenatal Day Unit or Warncliffe Ward, which is located here. Warncliffe Ward is where you may come antenatally during your pregnancy, to places like Antenatal Day Unit. You may also be invited here for induction, and you may come onto Warncliffe Ward after you've had your baby, as it's also known as the postnatal ward. You may be asked to attend Antenatal Day Unit at some point during your pregnancy. It's located on Warncliffe Ward. You may be asked to come up here for things like monitoring of your baby, if your baby wasn't moving as they usually do, or if you had any problems with your blood pressure in your pregnancy. Thank you for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed the tour of our maternity services here at Rotherham. If you have any questions, please get in touch, and we hope to see you here very soon.